Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. On request, the stock being taken today is LT Foods Limited. The Excel spreadsheet in front of you is an Excel program wherein we put financial data of a particular stock and arrive at a conclusion onto whether to invest in that particular stock or not at this point of time. The data are taken from an app known as the Stock Edge app. Now let's go to LT Foods Limited in the search bar. We could see here the last traded price of LT Foods Limited was 36.85 on 29th of October 2018. Let's go to the fundamental tab, and under the overview we could see that the sector is FMCG, that is fast moving consumer goods, and industry is consumer food. Let's understand about the company. So we click on show profile tab. LT Foods Limited was incorporated in 1990, a private limited company. It is one of country's leading processor and exporter of packaged rice foods. So this was about the company. Now let's come to the financial indicators. We will be putting these financial values onto our Excel program. So first is market cap, which is 1161.04 crores. The earning per share is 4.35. The price to earning ratio of the company is 8.35, whereas the industry P by E ratio is not rated. Book value per share is 38.08. Price to book value is 0.95. Dividend yield is 0.41, and the face value of the company is 1. Number of shares subscribed is 31.98. Now coming on to the return ratio. For that, click on ratios. Here we could see the return ratio. First is the return on equity, which is 15.88. Return on capital employed is 14.56. Return on asset is 4.89. So overall return ratio has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Coming on to the efficiency ratio. The first is EBITDA margin, which is 11.46. EBIT margin is 10.08. PAT margin is 4.05. Earning per share is 4.21. This is a trailing EPS. We could say that it is a current EPS. Asset turnover ratio is 1.21. Days of receivables is 47.01 and days of payables is 30.35. Days of inventory is 160.38. So overall efficiency ratio has also given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Coming on to the growth ratio. The net sales growth is 11.37%, EBITDA growth is 1.95%, net profit growth is 12.80%, and EPS growth is minus 4.22%. So overall a buy signal from the growth ratios. Now coming on to the solvency ratio, a very important ratio in shortlisting any stock. The first is total debt to equity ratio, which is 1.31. Now when we click on 1.31, we get to know that the total debt on the company is 1547.76 crores, whereas the net worth of the company is 1179.45 crores. Now coming on to interest coverage ratio, it is 2.48. Now when we click on 2.48, we get to know that the earnings before income tax is 364.13 crores, whereas the interest that the company is paying is 146.58 crores. Now coming on to the current ratio, it is 1.35. Overall solvency ratio has not given us a signal to invest in this company at this point of time. Coming on to the cash flow ratio, the cash flow per share is positive 1.41 and the free cash flow per share is negative 9.35. Overall a buy signal from cash flow ratios as well. Coming on to the valuation ratio. The first is price to earning ratio, which is 20.37. Price to book ratio is 2.33. Price to cash flow ratio is 60.82. EV to EBITDA ratio is 10.29 and market cap to sales ratio is 0.76. So overall valuation ratio has also given a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now the program in its entirety has given us a signal to not to invest in this company at this point of time. Hope you might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Further, if any one of you wants to perform fundamental or comparative analysis on any of your particular stock, can write to me in the comment section below. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Thank you.